Our house backs against a nature preserve, and we see several bears. It's pretty common. Every month, every few weeks, there's 3 mama bears, and they've got 2 cubs this year. And we've got possum. We had a possum come by the other day. There's raccoons. Neighbor up the road just a little way, she takes care of 3 rabbits. I don't know anybody, I don't think any of our neighbors have any cats. I'm not sure if they have or if there's population control here. I'm not sure what the deal is. But anyway, the bears are a hoot. I put a camera up on the porch to catch them coming and going. And in the wintertime, I've got some others. Literally, he's sitting in the rocking chair and just watching out to see what's going on.